As the year comes to a close, I thought it'd be a perfect time to share my everyday carry, specifically what I take with me on my days off. I realized that my EDC reflects two sides of my life: working a day job and creating content for the internet on the side. These are the items that keep me balanced, productive, and inspired when I'm out and about. Let's dive in. Starting with my tech essentials, I never leave without the 2nd gen iPad Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro. No, I have not upgraded. The iPad is perfect for brainstorming video ideas, editing videos, or even doing quick photo edits. My iPhone is my lifeline for responding to emails, managing social media, and importantly, looking for music on Epidemic Sound for inspiration. My Apple Watch 2 Pro is my go-to for tracking my schedule, tracking my workouts, and staying on top of notifications. For staying powered up, I run the Anker MagGo 500 mAh magnetic wireless portable charger. It's compact, foldable, and keeps my devices charged wherever I am. For media storage, I carry 2 reliable storage drives, a 500GB Samsung portable SSD and a 500GB SanDisk SSD. Alongside those, I have my Apple SSD card reader and a USB-C charger brick with cables for both the iPhone and the iPad. All the essentials for file management and charging when out and about. My wallet is the Fossil Ingram leather magnetic card case. It's slim, durable, and practical. It's all I need for carrying a few cards and some cash. Let's talk keys. I use the Jibbin Italian premium leather key organizer paired with the Tissot mini titanium key rings and a small carabiner quick release clip. It keeps my keys streamlined and easy to access. Of course, I have my Kia Niro car key attached to the setup. It's essential for getting around the city and being efficient on gas. Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm 715, kept a weapon on me. For audio, I switch between the 1st gen AirPods and the Google Pixel Buds, depending on the vibe. But when I want to block out the world, I grab my Sony WH-CH 720N noise canceling headphones. Definitely a mouthful, but they're comfortable, sound great, perfect for editing and gaming on the go. Now for mobile gaming, I keep the Backbone One mobile gaming controller with me. It's a great way to relax when you're on the go and you want to get in a few battle royale matches in COD Mobile. My Fujifilm X100F rangefinder camera is a favorite. It's lightweight, compact, and delivers stunning photos, making it perfect for casual photography on my days off. I carry all of this in the Ulanzi sling bag, which has just enough space for my camera, accessories, and tripod if I ever need one. One thing I've been thinking about adding to this kit is a small compact camera for video. Right now, all of the cameras I have are great, but they're too bulky to fit in this bag when I have everything stuffed in it. I want something lightweight and portable to capture high quality video while keeping my load manageable. One must have is that it has to be an interchangeable lens camera. If you have any recommendations, let me know down in the comments. I've been running around with some compact film cameras lately as well, but more on that in another video. These items are just tools. They're part of how I balance my dual life as someone with a day job and someone who creates content for the internet. I plan on ramping up the content in 2025, and having a bag that can carry the things that I need to be efficient is a must. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what's in your EDC down below while staying awesome. Stay awesome.